this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why?
Happy Wednesday. I hope everybody is having an amazing Wednesday, and we're back at it with yet another video. In today's video, this is a little motivation for you and myself as well. For those hard weeks when it's hard to push through on those projects that we've been neglecting for so long. So with this one, I just push through for us all, and I hope this inspires you as well.
Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left?
So here I'm just alternating between a dark gray and a cobalt blue in order to give like a marbled look. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just give it a more distinct look that's a little different than anything you can find somewhere else, just to give that space and added touch. And here I'm just going to go ahead and spray on some stone spray.
I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth. And
I'm not sure about you, but for me, refreshing a space always motivates me to clean. So I would suggest you do the same thing. Just change up the space a bit, and that will make you want to go ahead and update the space and clean it to perfection. Every time you clean, it would be like a spring clean itself, just because you want that newness to come in a fresh, clean space.
I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the.
Fun fact, this is a painting that I actually created on my own. Everything was done by me. I started a video to upload for you guys a year or so ago, but I never got all the footage because it's kind of hard to record and try to do that in the midst of everything. But yeah, that's definitely something that I did myself. As of late, I've been attempting to do organic cleaning products. What are your thoughts on that? And would you like to see some videos on how I do so? And this item actually came from the dollar store. I decided that it would be good to go ahead and switch up how we do our mails, since the other one seems to hold so many items. And then with these items for the cube shelves, it's going to go ahead and bring in that black accent color. Although black is supposed to not be a color. It's $10. It looked great, and I decided to go with it. With the welcome sign, I'm going to use it for the keys.
A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to me then if we never met, babe? If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation, I don't want you.
And here is the star of the show. This rug was $29.99. I actually used a 30% off coupon in order to get it because I saw so many pop-ups on my Pinterest about this. I just decided I had to have it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do something a little bit maybe considered now to be old school. We're gonna go with the original thing we used to always use as far as labeling things, and this is the label maker. I still have mine, I enjoy it. So I just wanted to bring it back and make sure that we just keep it simple.
Just a little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
So if you're wondering why I chose to go with the option for postage, because many of us may not still use postage, my kids actually started a business, so I wanted to give them a mailing center as well while they're sending off packages for their business. And here's a little clip of the products that they will be offering. The link will be below in the description box if you would like to support. I'm definitely excited to go ahead and complete this project, being that I used all dollar store items. There were some that came from Dollar Tree, there were some that came from Target Dollar Spot, there are also items that came from Dollar General as well. Definitely used all products from various areas. So yeah, it came together very nicely. As far as the rug itself, that was the only thing that was not from like a dollar store. It was from Ollie's, but I think it was well worth it. The price, because it brought in the look that I was trying to achieve of just being cozy and relaxing when you enter the space. Just a little zen session right before you enter the home, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have an amazing day.
I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. It's too easy. I've been there, done it, seen it. Boy, all that like Keenan. Still got crack, they fiendin'. Flow still hot like Phoenix. Shine so bright, I'm gleaming. This off top, I'm tweaking. Fresh out the rat like Neiman. And I'm still tryna fight my demons. Cause we all gotta act like Tina. That's why I gotta ride with the Nina. Outside, it's a war going on. Maybe put my hands on my head like the Macarena. They want you walking on board like Kima. And give an F to you like John Cena. Putting blood on the brand new Beamer. Tryna earn 8 stripes like Adidas. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And expose to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque yo no entiendo. Mi gente must really need Jesus. They shed real blood. I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. it, seen it. Y'all just talk, don't live it. And just took that route, that seen it. I'm so outspoken like Reason. Jimmy Neutron, boy, young G's. And I'm a self-made man out of Sweden. And it's still off top, I'm tweaking. But I still gotta fight my demons. I ain't no good, I'm evil. I ain't been clean since Eden. It's a war going on outside, make you put your hands on your head like the Macarena. That's why I gotta watch my demeanor. You know they locking up blacks and Latinos. It's the same old game, ain't nothing really changed but the mileage on the meter of the beamer. You get cold when you ride with the heater. It'll turn you to a dog like a keto. And exposed to a cat like a cheetah. They smoke my partner like reefer. Dímelo porque o no entiendo, mi gente must really need Jesus. He said real blood, I never seen the crypt and I believe it. It's too easy. Too easy. Too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. It's too easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. I can do this with my eyes closed.